everyone, how's everyone been doing? I hope everyone's been doing great. I am doing great too. I am going to gym regularly, and also I fixed my gut health to the point I feel so good now. My mood is just lifted, and this video is not about that. This video is about dresses haul. I got some amazing pieces from Little Box India this time, and by the way, all of these dresses I got in the size small. And also I'll be clipping a try on haul in this side of the screen so you can see it from here in better way. So yeah, this is the first dress that I got. This is a really pretty blue. I would say this is royal blue. I feel like royal blue is a color that just elevates my skin tone even more. And look at the back, it is so pretty. It comes with a bow, so I really love this dress. This looks so elegant. Like, look at this. I've already clipped a try on haul so you can see it from there, but this is so pretty, like so elegant. But this is, I would say, the material is not the top quality, but just by looking at it you can't tell the quality of this dress. But this just feels a bit like not really good quality when you feel it, but by just looking at it, it looks really great. Sorry for the dog barking, but yeah, this is like not a very long dress. This dress comes to my, I would say, ankle, till ankle. This is not a very long dress, but this is definitely a kind of dress that will steal the show. Especially it will look so elegant during the night event and also like evening event. This tone of color, this tone of blue, royal blue, it just looks so good in the evening and nighttime. So I feel like this will be a really great dress. Even if you're comfortable, you can wear it on daytime. So this is really nice. I love this dress. We've already started strong with this dress. Now let's move to the next dress, which is this dress. This is a green dress, and this is like a very heavy dress, I would say. The quality of this feels really nice than this one. This one is really thin kind of material, but this one is like really thick material. As you can see, this is like really thick, and it's also very heavy, and the back part is very stretchy kind of, so you can easily wear this. This also comes with this zip detailing. So this is a really comfortable dress. I also got this one small, but it's just that it does not fit me like a glove. I would say this is a bit loose for me, but even though it looks great. And also this is not a very long dress, and I love how it just flows on my body. I really love this color. This is a green. This is, I would say, this is not sage. This is like more darker shade of green. I really love this color again. This is a very modest, elegant and flowy dress again. This will be a really great day dress for summer days. So yes, this is the second one, and the third one is my favorite. Now this is a kind of dress which is not my style exactly, but this is how it looks. This is like a champagne red color. I love this. This is such a cute dress. I love the top part of this dress, the bottom, the ruffles. This is like absolutely cutest dress that I've owned in my closet, and it just fits so perfectly on my body. As you can see in a try on haul, it just like fits right onto my waist and just flows through my waistline. I really love this dress. This makes my waist look so slimmer and so tucked in. The material of this dress is great, but I wouldn't say like really great, but this is kind of in between. I feel like this is a polyester material. It also comes with a zip at the back, like this. If you are a big bust girly, then do look out for it, because the bust area is not that big, but it is okay for me. So if you are anything like me, then you can get this. This is a super cute dress. You can wear it as a day dress, and also you can wear it as a night dress. I absolutely adore that dress. Now let's come to the third one, which is this, again, kind of similar color, but this is a champagne velvet kind of material. This is how it looks, and also this is like a very thin material. This is velvet material, by the way, and the material is so thin you can literally look through it. The thing about Little Box is that it is a hit or miss, so you can get a really good quality and really pretty dress from Little Box, and also you can get dresses like this, which is like really it's like not of the greatest quality, but yeah, you can look out for hauls like this and you can decide for yourself. So this dress, again, I got in small size and it fits more like a extra small for me. So this is like a really snitched kind of bodycon dress. This is a very snug dress and it fits me like a glove, but the thing is, it is made of really thin material, so it will be transparent, so be mindful of that. So yeah, this is not that bad of dress for the price that you pay for. It's just that the material is super thin. Otherwise, this is a really nice dress. It looks so beautiful on my body. So the next dress is a sundress that I got from Little Box, and the front part, it comes with buttons here, and the back part has a like rope kind of thing going on here that you can snitch it. I have seen this kind of design in my Pinterest board, so I was thinking where can I buy this, but this will be available on Little Box India, and again the material is very thin here, but then again it is worth it for the price. But the material, I'm not a very big fan of material. If you look at it, it is not that bad, but if you feel it, it is like made of really thin material. But the good thing is that it looks super cute and the bag is really pretty. This will be a really great summer sundress, I feel like. And I thought it will not fit me, but it fits me really well. So I am kind of shocked that it fits me because this is not stretchable at all. And it comes with a zip here. And the zip is also not of the best quality, but thankfully it fits me. So look at this. This is not of the best quality. The zip is very problematic. So yeah, with this, again, if you're looking for a really pretty sundress, then you can get this one in such an affordable price. So yes, this is the last one. No, I have the last one again, but that one doesn't fit me. This is actually the last dress that I have, and this is more like a sport dress. I feel like this is not my style, guys. I've been sent this from Little Box India. My favorite ones were this one and the green one and also the red one that I showed you, but this is the dress. It does not fit me, so I've given this to my sister, and also the green one, I've given that to my sister again, but this one's just not fits me. Like literally I cannot wear this, so I'm just gonna show it here. My sister is wearing it, but the quality of this dress is not bad. It is made of really heavy material, and if you're into this kind of designs, I would say this is most like a Korean teenage dress kind of. So if you're into these kind of designs, then you can go for it, but it's just not for me, I feel like. So this was the last dress, and with that we have come to an end of this video. This is really sad, but I have to say you goodbye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed.